Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with making your WordPress content look neat and readable, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add single or double line spacing in WordPress so your posts look clean and professional. Let's dive in. Accessing your WordPress site. First things first, we need to log into your WordPress site. Open your browser and head to wordpress.com. Once there, click login, and I recommend using the continue with Google option to make it faster. After logging in, you'll see the quick link section on the right panel. Click edit site and then select the website you want to work on. This will open the editor where we can start adjusting line spacing. Controlling line spacing. Now let's talk about controlling line spacing, which is essential for making your content easier to read. If you want single line spacing, it's super simple. Just type your text and press the enter key normally. WordPress will automatically insert a single line gap between your paragraphs. For double line spacing, it's just as easy. Press Shift plus enter together and you'll see a wider space between your lines. This is perfect when you want your text to feel less crowded or emphasize certain sections. Remember, proper spacing isn't just about aesthetics. It helps your readers focus and keep your content looking professional. You can mix and match single and double spacing depending on your layout and style. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can control single or double line spacing in WordPress to make your content more readable and visually appealing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.